Oh, hey guys, it's Brennan the Paleo Dude, but guess what came to Canada? The Camp Cretaceous Captivz. So you know what that means? I have to open more of them. And we all know how many eggs I've opened on my channel. If you've been a viewer for a long time, you definitely know I've opened over 100 of them, and I've spent, well, probably not over 100, it was like 80 or something, but I spent over $300 to $400 on eggs just to complete the lineup, and now I've got the other lineup to complete. Luckily, I've got some friends in the States who have some eggs that I'm trading back and forth with, but still not close to completing the lineup, so I thought I'd go out of my way and purchase some. So here we go again. That's right, we're doing this thing again, and hopefully, just hopefully, I can collect them all. But there's a third wave of eggs that have been dropped, so I'm so tired. But no, I get myself into these things. I start collecting and then I can't stop, and it's just a big thing. So you know what? We're just gonna deal with it. So this egg thing looks super off-centered. Yeah, I'm just a bit ticked. My my camera broke, so now I have to use a phone to film this. But regardless, I'm vibing. I'm straight up vibing. In one of my past videos, I cut my thumb on the box, and my Spinosaurus came without frill color. It's been rough, guys. Absolutely rough. Oh, also the Albertosaurus came out here in Canada too, so I'm hoping to go down and grab that. I picked up almost all of the Lego sets. There's one more I need to get, and I'll probably do a video on those in the future as well. Yay! So let's finish opening this. Jeez, this is taking a long time, guys. And I'm not putting the software. Ew, the thing's already leaking. Blech. Yeah, I'm not gonna speed this up. This is painful, guys. I'm in sheer agony. And these things are expensive up here. I mean expensive. Like $8 each expensive. It's crazy. So we're gonna do the good old opening. I guess I should have done this on the new Reels feature or whatever. Apparently, you get like hella lot of views from that. So next time I go get eggs, I'm probably gonna make a Reels video on this, because I've seen people getting like over 100K from just opening one of these on Reels. It's not Reels, I keep calling it Reels. Reels is on Instagram. It's like YouTube videos, or maybe it is Reels, I don't know. Please be something. It's Brown Raptor. No, it's the Echo. It's Echo? Why is Echo brown? Wait. Wasn't Echo yellow? Isn't this Delta? I'm confused. Okay, let me just get the slime off my fingers. As much as I love these, I despise making these videos. It takes so long. Okay, the paper's a bit moist, so we love that. Okay, Echo and Charlie seemed a little bit swapped. There's a new Spinosaurus, there's a new Pteranodon. New Stego, finally getting re-released Indominus, so we can get that. Bumpy. Bumpy apparently is the rarest. I don't know why he's in rare 4. Delta, Baryonyx, Blue, Green T-Rex, Carno, and then the glow-in-the-darks. Okay. One of these has to be Bumpy, though. Pro tip I got from JP Toys: you feel for the heaviest one, and that's Bumpy. Apparently. It's just a little shout out. So we'll put this together, since it's our first new one in a while. The tail does not want to fit in there. Oh wow, it really doesn't want to fit in there. Oh, this is not good. Okay, so yeah, I pressed my hardest. That's not going in. Okay. This kind of sucks. Oh my god, they're not going in. What is happening? Oh, the head's kind of almost in. Whatever, that's close enough. I thought kids were supposed to be able to put these together. Oh my god. Okay. Come on, Bumpy. We need Bumpy. I don't want to open these. It's so much work. I'm sorry, guys. This is... Damn. Here, I'll do some better commentary. I say that as I struggle to think of anything. Yeah, I was surprised these came to Canada. I wasn't, like, expecting it. I wasn't hoping it. I thought I would just trade for these. I think I might just end up trading for these, because in America they're cheaper. And plus I've got a lot of doubles to trade. But, like, if this waves out here, I guess I might as well just go for it. It's gonna suck ass, but I'm gonna go for it. Ow, Ow, my nail went... This plastic went under my nail. I keep hurting myself while opening stuff. What is happening today? It's just not my day, guys. Okay. Egg number 2. Oh, and we're already 6 minutes in? Please be Bumpy. I beg of thee. Please be Bumpy, guys. Oh? Oh, it's the yellow raptor. Whatever they falsely named it. It's everywhere. This is so bad. Again, the pamphlet's moist. Why is the pamphlet moist? Is this gonna, like, infect my wound? It's got, like, an open cut. Is this slime, like, good? Good for my cut? Okay, well, that's cool. I'm getting the raptors. It's pretty ballers, I guess. I wonder if there's, like, a certain amount of figures per case. Maybe I should just get the whole case. An entire case up here, it's like $95 for a set, so times that by 2, and that's the full box. I think it's 12 plus 12, so it's 24 eggs for 200 something. Ow, my neck, pain, guys, absolute pain. I might just give up on collecting these. Ow, I bent my nail backwards. How? This is painful. Okay. I didn't know it would be such a hassle. Come on, for all this that I'm going through, there has to be a Bumpy. Or golden Bumpy. Heck, anything. Literally anything. I mean, and this Bumpy's way better than the Mattel one, so this is a good stand-in for, like, photography and stuff. If I ever do another toy movie, if I, get another video camera, I'll include the Bumpy if I find it. Okay, egg number 3. Ew, it's everywhere. Oh, okay. Again, please be Bumpy. I'm just, please. No way. No way. It's Bumpy, guys. We got Bumpy. No way. And oh my god, is it heavy. Okay. Pro tip worked. Heaviest one, Bumpy. That is a thick figure. Holy cow. Oh my god, JP Toys was right. Okay. Okay. This is awesome. Maybe I'll just do this for my thumbnail. Oh, yes. Okay, this makes up for everything. I regret complaining about life. Wow. Oh, but the tail is so tiny. Jeez, it's so small. Look at how tiny that is. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. From this angle, Bumpy's looking a bit deformed, though. What's going on with that head bulge? I guess the promotional images, they didn't really do a justice of how kind of bad the paint job is. Oh, but regardless, that's cute. Look at it next to the Scorpius. Oh wait, Bumpy wasn't a baby around with the Scorpius. Never mind. Yeah, no, that's adorable. I love that. That's such a good figure. Holy cow, I can't wait to post about this. Okay, Let's hope we get I guess a glow-in-the-dark Bumpy. Now I'm gonna go around from store to store with a scale, one of those weighing scales or whatever, the measuring ones, and I'm literally going to measure each egg, and I'm gonna find as many Bumpies as I can until I get the flipping glow-in-the-dark Bumpy. That's my plan. It's just, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna find myself Bumpy. And I guess along the way, trade people Bumpy. Okay. Egg number 4. Let's go, guys. Hope restored. My humanity is once again intact. No way! You're kidding. You're kidding. Guys, I got glow-in-the-dark Bumpy. No way. No. Impossible. Impossible. Absolutely impossible. This is not happening. Oh my god. Bumpy and my boy glow-in-the-dark Bumpy. Ho ho ho. Look at that. Oh, I gotta clean my hands off. I don't want to, like, soil it. It looks so... What's the word? It looks like, opal. Opalescent Bumpy. He's a ghost. Or she's a ghost. Oh, my hands still have this slime on it. Ow! Pain. My whole life it is just pain. I can't believe I hurt myself on Bumpy's tail. Okay, I guess I put it on with my shirt. There we go. Wow! This is like the rarest of rares. Let's check the manual thing. I've never seen an image of one before. Like, no one's ever, like, found it, you know? Just not from what I know. Okay, this is perfect. Oh, wow, I guess I'm gonna complete this in no time. We've already got the hardest ones to find. This is perfect. Okay. Final egg. So I'm blown away. I'm shocked. Well, I guess I don't need to look for Bumpies anymore. I think Bumpy online was like $100. The glow-in-the-dark one. I think. I think it's very weird. I've only seen 2 people find Bumpy before, and I've only seen, like... Actually, I've never seen anyone with glow-in-the-dark Bumpy. Ever. Like, not a single person. Very weird. So, I guess now I just trade for the rest. I know a few people with the baryonyx. I know a few people with a lot of Pteranodons. The glow-in-the-dark ones, that is. So I guess I can trade stuff for those. And then, yeah, that new wave, I basically have all of the rare ones from the new wave, except for I think there's now a golden indominus that I'll have to try and get my hands on. Oh. Final egg incoming. Okay. What's in egg number 5? No way, it's the Indominus Rex. What on earth is happening, guys? This is insane. Oh. Gotta fix that. Holy cow, the Indominus Rex is my luck is just beyond insane at the moment. That is crazy. The Indominus. It's okay. I wanted this figure from the first wave, but like it just never came out in the first wave. I don't know why. It just never did. Like it never came out. So that sucked. But now it's out. Thank goodness. What is the Indominus? Is it rare? Is it like super rare? What's the rarity level on that? I don't think it's that rare. It's rare 4. I think it's the same rarity as Bumpy. I'll try and put the rest of this raptor together, and then I'll show you guys what the heck I got. I think the tail is like too fat. It's not put in right. I think like yeah, I guess that's good as it gets. Okay, so let's take a look at our winnings. So we got the Bumpster. We got 2 raptors. I think these raptors are common. Yeah. And we got glow-in-the-dark Bumpy. Wow. That's so cool. Okay, guys. Hope you all enjoyed this video, and it was awesome. Can't wait for more of these egg videos if I get a chance. Unless I complete it sooner, but yeah, I feel like I'm going to be getting these for a while. Hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.